Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit. This kit comes with 4 games and is perfect for ages 3 to 5. This isn't just any kid's toy. It's a fun-filled and award-winning educational game that interacts with actual handheld pieces and an iPad. Osmo brings a child's game pieces and actions to life. No Wi-Fi necessary for gameplay. When unboxing your Osmo kit, be sure to turn it over so you don't drop everything like I did. So included in the box comes many different pieces to get you started on Osmo right away. This cute little cutout that we have yet to use, I thought was a really fun and cute little addition to the packaging. So in the kit, you'll get an Osmo Base that comes along with the camera mirror, a play mat which will also serve as the play boundary for your different games, and 2 containers containing the pieces to the 4 games that come with the starter kit. The 4 games are Squiggle Magic, ABCs, and they have these cute little silicone pieces. There are small parts, so this product is not ideal for children under 3 years old. Costume Party is the 3rd game, and Stories is the 4th. Each game teaches your kids core subjects while sparking their imagination. Even better, you can also monitor and track your child's progress on a parent's app. Your child will learn phonics, spelling, and develop their vocabulary, develop pre-drawing skills and creativity, understand social-emotional cues, and learn problem-solving techniques. Per the product description, compatible iPads include all iPads except generations 1 through 4 and iPad mini 1. The minimum iOS version needed is iOS 11. View the video description for complete details.